Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is a soup pot, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the diameters, they are about like 12.5 inches in the diameters. And the overall height of the units, they are about like 14.5 inches tall. As we can see the units at the front, they have a name stickers. You can change it from the manufacturer manuals. They pre-print some like informations, different styling of the soup. You can change the sticker from here. And also at the bottom, we can see they have a 2 indicator information to showing you the machine is running and working. And also have adjust the levels to changing the heat levels. And from the manufacturer offers, they give you the standard of 110 plugs for the United States. And they do having the ETL sanitation stickers at the bottoms. They come in the information, give you the single phase, about 400 watts of the units. And we can also take a look closer to see the inner pot dimensions. We can just simply to remove the lid. Also, we can see the information right here. They mark the maximum levels for the inner side. Also, this pot is removable for you to easy to clean. The inner side diameters is about like 8.5 inches. And the depths, they are about like 10 inches. And this will be all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.